my name is Philip. The birds and the glass. This is a bird. Look at the bird's beak. Is this a long or short? Look at the bird's legs. Are they long or short? Is this a stroke? No, it is not a stroke. What color is it? What color is the bird's beak? Look at the bird. The bird is in the sky. The sky is blue. Can you see the cloud? The cloud is white. Can you see the clock? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is shining. It is very hot. The bird is very tired and very hot. It is looking for some water. The bird is looking down. What can he see? The tree and house. Is there a river? No, this is not a river. There is river in the water. It is float. There is no water. The bird is very tired and very hot. The bird is looking down. What can it see? It can see the sea. Look at the sea. Look at the ship. But there is a sea in the water, but the birds cannot drink it. Short in the water, the bird is very tired and very hot. What can the bird see now? It can see the house. There is table near the house. There is door and window. Near the window is table. There is glass on the table. There is some water at the bottom of the glass. Near one leg of the table, there is a bowl. It is dog bowl. There is no water in the bowl. Bye bye.